Hi guys, it's Heidi here with Kiddos Koral, and I apologize on behalf of my lighting. It is freezing cold here today, and the sun is kind of in and out, so it kind of messes with the quality of this, and I apologize. I wanted to do this video, and I have been dying to share with you guys because I know that during the holiday season, there has been a lot of talk about grocery delivery, and at first I was a little skeptical, because you're having somebody else pick out your produce. You're having somebody else handle what you want to purchase from the grocery store. And I thought, you know what? With my wedding around the corner in March, and also too with me being visually impaired, and my fiance Ronnie, if you have never met him, he's in previous videos, and I'll link that all down below for you guys if you want to check that out. He is blind, and so transportation is an issue. And we do have transportation, but getting all of our groceries on and off the bus is kind of a hassle. So honestly, if you can order online and have it delivered, it's a blessing if it works. And so I was a little skeptical about how the process was going to go. So inquiring minds want to know, is it worth it? Did it work? Was there any frustrations or hiccups? And I just wanted to tell you guys that I love it. Honestly, I thought, you know what? I'm going to do the Aldi grocery delivery and see what we think. So I got online, and I have to tell you, I was very pleased about how easy the website was to use. It was easy to shop. They had a search engine, so I did not have to rummage through a lot of items that I wasn't interested in. I could just put in there meat or chicken or spaghetti sauce, and it would just bring up everything that was available underneath that heading, and that made that so simple. As far as substitutions, because there was some, my first order, it was on a Monday, and there was some things that had to be substituted. However, the substitutions that was okayed by me, because what they do is they text you your telephone, and they'll say, look, we were out of these kind of hot dog buns that you ordered, but we have these. Is it okay to substitute? And you can say, approve, go ahead and substitute. And so there was quite a few things that I had to substitute. And but I found that I loved all those items. It was no big deal. And it worked out fantastic. And then, okay, so whenever you place your order, it sends you a text message, and it says your shopper's name. My first shopper's name was Anthony, and Anthony is shopping for you, and your delivery will be momentarily. And then, he comes on, he says, this needs a substitution. Is this okay? And I'll say, yeah, it's fine. So there was a lot of communication, which I loved. It was like having a personal shopper, really. And so I had ordered some hard salami. They were out. He said, all they have is this, and he sent me a picture, and I said, no, do they have ham, like deli ham? That would be fine. He said, any particular kind? I said, no. He sent me a picture of the kind that he found, and I okayed it, and it was delicious. So, and then after they're done shopping, they let you know that their order has already been filled, and they give you a little bit of time to add things if you have forgotten anything, or if you have any questions. And then if they don't hear from you for a little bit, then they will send you another message and says your groceries are en route to your home or wherever you have your groceries delivered. And they were at my house in no time. I made my grocery order at 5 till 10, and all of my groceries were delivered at 11:30. If I would have taken the bus and went and done it myself, I think I would have been gone longer than that. And I loved it. You don't have to have your groceries delivered within 2 hours, but you can. And I think it's fantastic. It is absolutely awesome to just be able to get online and get what you need. The other, I had 2 times that I did the Aldi shopping. The second time, It went really well. There was no substitutions. They had everything that I asked for. The only thing is when they brought my groceries to my door and I was unpacking everything, I realized there was one item that was missing. So I got on my computer and I made sure that I ordered it, made sure I paid for it. And then it was easy. There was a little number. You call them and you say, hey, my Italian sausage was not in my order. And they did not charge me for extra delivery or anything. They brought me my Italian sausage within an hour. And they apologized and it worked out fine. It could, you know, I don't know. I think that with some of these things you might have some glitches, but I think using and doing the process, I'm kind of learning a little bit about communicating better with my shopper. And so honestly, I think it worked out really, really well. I highly recommend the Aldi's shopping experience online, having it delivered to your home, especially around the holidays, because it's maddening, is it not? I wanted to share in this video the food that I had ordered and some of my meals, because I know you guys love with my groceries. I had made spaghetti and garlic bread, and then the next night I had leftover sauce from my spaghetti, so I just quickly boiled some macaroni and added it to the sauce and kind of made like a hamburger helper. And I also made some Italian sausages with peppers and onions. We had that with sauerkraut as well. I love it. Ronnie loves it. It's one of our favorite things. It was so delicious. Green smoothies. Ronnie has never had my green smoothies before, and it's basically banana, almond milk, frozen berries, and spinach, and it was really good. I had made a couple homemade pecan pies, and I also made some homemade peanut butter fudge, and I've been enjoying my new candy thermometer, which I bought on Amazon. And if y'all are interested, I'll link it down below. If you are somebody that is visually impaired like me, it is very hard to read a glass candy thermometer, and I love the digital one because the reading on it is great big. I made a loaded baked potato hash brown casserole. It's a mouthful, but it was so good. And I made Ronnie's favorite, which was my Mexican cabbage casserole, and it's covered in cheese. I made chicken fajitas, where I just made like a chicken stir fry with taco seasoning from Aldi, and then we put it in giant burrito wraps, pudding, some homemade banana pudding. Some of these foods that I'm talking about, if you're curious on my recipes, I will try to remember to link them down below for you also. You guys can grab those. I made a lasagna and it came out really good, and this time I had to order something different. Usually I just use regular lasagna noodles, but Aldi's is carrying oven ready lasagna noodles. Now I do an oven-ready lasagna without oven-ready lasagna noodles, but I decided, since that was all that was available to me when I made my grocery order, I would try them, and I gotta tell you, I think I like them a whole lot better than the regular noodles. They were a little bit of a different texture, but they were very done. And I don't know, they were thicker. I can't really explain it to you, but I think that they made a better quality lasagna. It actually was prettier, and the layers in it was very well seen. And I know that may not be important to you guys, but that, as well as the taste, it was really good. I really enjoyed the oven ready noodles, so I highly suggest maybe trying those at least once, because that was kind of a on accident find for me doing this grocery delivery. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys find this to be helpful to you guys. I'm sorry that I've been lagging a little bit on getting my video content out. It is the holidays, and I did 5 days, guys, of holiday activities right smack in a row, and now I'm about to be in a Christmas play, and we have had Christmas practice. Well, we had it last night. I should back. I was supposed to have Christmas practice every day this week, but I got sick and I didn't feel good, and so I ended up not going. And so yesterday was Thursday, so I'll be going Thursday, Friday. I go to the gym tomorrow, and then I have church in the morning in Catlettsburg, Kentucky on Sunday, and then I am in the play Sunday night, which does not leave me with much time to film or edit, I'm afraid, with these holidays fastly approaching. So I hope you all have a fantastic holiday, and Merry Christmas to you guys, and thank you for sticking with Kiddos Koral this year. I'm hoping that I get better at getting content out to you guys. There's going to be a lot of wedding content, I'm hoping, for the month of January and February. I've got a lot of table stuff to put together, and decorations and arches to build. All that kind of stuff gonna happen in the month of January and February. Gonna keep busy. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and I'll be talking to you all again soon. Bye, guys.